Welcome to another JeaKen video. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Effects of cell phone and wireless waves on the brain. Cell phone use has been linked to the increased risk of brain cancer because of its ability to change brain activity. However, cell phones harm brain health in many ways. Cancer is just one problem. This video presents several findings from studies, which show how cell phone use and the exposure to Wi-Fi signals affect the brain. The cells inside the brain communicate through electrical impulses. These impulses can be detected via a non-invasive EEG or electroencephalogram device. A study of participants who underwent exposure for 15 minutes to a 3G mobile phone showed cortical reactivity in the brain significantly increased soon after exposure to radiation. This study is not the only one that suggests that acute exposure to cell phone radiation can indeed have negative effects on the brain. Another study revealed that the brain's alpha band, i.e. EEG pattern, changes when exposed to cell phone radiation. It alters glucose metabolism in the brain. Yet another study, published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, suggests that using a cell phone for 50 minutes results in the alteration of glucose metabolism in the brain. This change was seen in the area of the brain closest to where the cell phone antenna was placed. This effect of cell phone usage was seen using a PET or positron emission tomography scan. To date, there is no known safety level of exposure to cell phone or wireless radiation. Although these studies show how the brain reacts to cell phone radiation, more research is still needed to be able to determine the exact health consequences. Researchers stress that even though at this time they may not be able to accurately quantify the potential damage, the point that has been made clear is that the human brain is sensitive to mobile phone radiation. Effects of mobile phone usage. For the past 10 years, the number of people developing cancer has increased. Data collected from studies has led to claims that this increased rate of cancer is correlated with the prevalent use of wireless devices. The evidence showed that people who hold their cell phones close to their face were at a higher risk. Cell phone and other wireless gadgets are known to release intermittent pulses of radiation which have been found to cause disruption to human DNA. In addition, this erratic microwave radiation emitted from mobile phones has been found to weaken the protective barriers of the brain, which can trigger the release of highly destructive free radicals to enter the brain. Another study showed that the cerebral blood flow in the brain changed when exposed to cell phone radiation. Children are more at risk. In one of the issues of San Francisco Medicine magazine, Dr. Devra Davis from the Environmental Health Trust stated that children are more prone to the effects of cell phone radiation. For example, a child who is only 5 years of age does not yet have a fully developed brain. Experts have said that the bone marrow in the child's head was found to absorb radiation 10 times more, compared to that of an adult's brain. Tips to reduce health risks from cell phone usage. You can take precautionary measures to reduce your risks and protect your health. Use a headset when you need to use your phone. A headset keeps your ears, head and face away from the radiation, which is strongly emitted while the phone is active. Use non-metal cases. The non-metal cases don't transfer the radiation as much as the metal ones do. Quote, "Turn off your wireless router when you're about to sleep. This reduces the likelihood of your brain and body absorbing radiation while you're sleeping. Eat plenty of healthy green vegetables to boost your body's ability to naturally repair radiation damage." If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.